Hey everyone, welcome back to the WA Electronics. Today, we're diving into the world of electronics with an unboxing and review of the Fuzrr FR205D digital clamp meter. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this tool promises to be a game changer. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The Fuzrr FR205D comes in a sturdy box, ensuring that everything inside is well protected. Let's open it up and see what we get inside the box. Inside the box, we have the clamp meter itself, a set of test leads, a thermocouple for temperature measurements, a user manual, and 2 AAA batteries. Everything you need to get started right away. Right off the bat, the Fuzrr FR205D feels solid and well built. It has a large, easy-to-read LCD display with a maximum count of 6,000. Which is great for precision measurements. Let's dive into the technical specifications. The Fuzrr FR205D offers automatic range switching, making it user-friendly. It can measure DC voltage up to 600 volt with an accuracy of 0.5%, and AC voltage up to 600 volt with an accuracy of 0.8%. For current measurements, it handles up to 600 amperes for both DC and AC with an accuracy of 2.0%. It also measures resistance up to 60 mega ohms, capacitance up to 100 millifarad, and frequency up to 10 megahertz. Plus, it has a non-contact voltage detection feature, which is a nice safety addition. Now, let's see the Fuzrr FR205D in action. I'll start with a simple voltage measurement. As you can see, the display is clear and the readings are stable and accurate. First, let's test AC voltage. I'll connect the test leads to an incoming circuit breaker. The clamp meter shows a stable reading of around 203 volt, which is expected for household AC voltage. Next, let's test DC voltage. I'll use a 9-volt battery for this. As you can see, the multimeter reads 9 volts, which is within the expected range for a fresh battery. Now, let's measure AC current. I'll clamp the meter around a live wire carrying AC current of this heater. The clamp meter shows a reading around ½ ampere, which matches the expected load on this hot plate. Next, let's measure DC current. I'll clamp the meter around a wire connected to a DC power supply. The clamp meter shows a reading of 1.7 amperes, which is accurate for the current setting on the power supply. Now, let's measure resistance. First, we check the clamp meter 0 by shorting both testing probes. I'll use a 56 kilo ohm and a 10 kilo ohm resistor. The multimeter shows inaccurate readings for both resistors. This means the clamp meter is not providing accurate resistance measurements. Let's move on to capacitance. I'll test a 1000 microfarad capacitor and a 25 microfarad capacitor. The clamp meter reads inaccurately for both capacitors. This means it is not providing accurate capacitance measurements. Next, let's test the diode. I'll connect the test leads to the diode. The clamp meter shows a forward voltage drop of 0.5 volt. which is typical for a silicon diode. Now, let's perform a continuity test. I'll connect the test leads to a fuse. The clamp meter beeps, indicating that the circuit is complete. This is a quick and easy way to check for continuity in fuses, wires, and connections. Finally, let's test the frequency. I'll connect the clamp meter to an AC source. The clamp meter shows a stable reading of 50 Hz, so you can check the frequency of AC voltage as well. Lastly, let's perform a live test. I will connect the one lead to phase, and it detects the voltage and alerts me with a beep and a flashing light. This is a great safety feature. In conclusion, the Fuzrr FR205D digital clamp meter is a fantastic tool for anyone in need of precise and reliable measurements. Its features and build quality make it a great addition to any toolkit. If you're interested in getting one, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. See you in the next video.